happening, guys? We're Craig and Amy and you are watching Kinging It!
Welcome back to another episode. This vlog is a bit all over the place if we're honest, but there's a few updates, there's a few pieces of exciting information for you.
A bit all over the place, like our lives currently.
So I hope you enjoy it.
Kinging It! Rule your own world.
It's terrifying. What's just happened then?
So, we have just had an email back from Babbel, which is a language company, and they want to sponsor the Mongol Rally, which is great.
Hallelujah!
And we've got work tonight.
Yes.
We're on the way, Craig.
All in a day's work. Mental. It goes to show, like, we've just been moping all day.
Stay positive.
And we were like, I was like, we need some good news today. And literally within 40 minutes we had an email saying, yeah, we'll sponsor you. And we were like, yes!
No, brilliant.
So good. So we're en route to Cardiff to do some filming because we're actually doing work now. We got to get some cash because we don't want to just stay home until we go to the Mongol Rally. We're actually planning on going to Bali, which we said in our travel video.
Yeah, 100%,
so
that's happening in
we need some cash because we've got some special friends that we're going to go meet out there, which is going to be great.
Wait as well, I can't wait to see them all.
But wait till you see this gaff. Our mate Alex, he's a great interior designer. He should be on like Grand Designs or something because he's
the next Lawrence Llewellyn Bowen.
proper posh stuff this is. Wait for this. So now we're going to go meet Holly and Josh for some food in the grazing shed. You excited for more food?
I know I shouldn't. I've been really good with the gym this week, but probably just for the boys.
So we were going to go to the stable for some free pizza, but the queue is just ridiculous, so we're just going to go to the grazing shed instead. People will do anything for some free food, don't they? Including us. Testing out Pritchard's new vegan burger. Let's give it a go. Burger was 10 out of 10. Amy's making me do a lap of the car, I don't know why. Gonna make our way home now.
You got it.
One me. Look at this chop. The mullet has gone. Shit's hit the fan, and we're like, are we rushing through this Mongol Rally? So Amy's frantically typing to someone else to try and get another tour through Iran. So we can spend a bit more time because we don't want to rush through Turkey. We don't want to rush through Europe. We don't want to just be driving for 3 weeks because that'll just be crap. So I think we're going to change all our plans again.
But, you know, as soon as we get this sorted, it'll be fine. What else has been going on in Kinging It Life, Craig? We've talking so much about the Mongol Rally. I feel like we need to let everyone else know what else is going on.
Well, we're working on Lightroom presets.
We are.
Which are coming out very soon.
Yes.
They're finished, but we just got to make a web page. We were going to go to Europe, but we're skint, so...
Well, no, we kind of want to keep it until June-ish. We have like we can make a free month in June to go. And it'll be sunnier then, so that is definitely on the cards.
Yeah, it'll be warmer and we'll get a chance to save up a bit more money. And also visas. We're going to be spending so much time
sending off our passports for these. I'm not sure if they'll come back in time to plan anything, yeah.
Exactly.
What have you been doing, guys? We see so many of you guys commenting, and we know some of your names, but we don't actually know like who you are or what you do. And I feel like if we're going to be mates, then you need to start communicating. So,
alright,
can you do selfies on YouTube comments?
No.
That's a shame. On our Facebook page, if you want to introduce yourself, which you should, come and say hello, because I'd like to see some of your faces.
20p, got 20p?
Oh, is it 20 pence? Yeah. Right, hold on.
Your little lime green purse.
Should we not look at my hands right now?
And your little...
Right, we've only got
tweezers.
50p.
That'll do.
Shambles.
Probably need £5 to fill this tyre up. It's flat as a pancake.
This is good Mongol Rally practice, isn't it? Do you even know what you're doing?
Enter your code. Let's go. What's the code?
What do you mean the code? So what should it be and what is it? It was 10.
It's supposed to be 33 and it's 10.
That is proper like it was to the floor though, wasn't it?
We could have been driving around on that for days as well. I did notice it was a bit flat the other day, but I didn't follow it through.
So maybe it's just got a puncture then. Because he said there was 4 new tyres on it.
Terry, son, we're not doing very well.
She's a
with it, are we?
mystery, she is.
She keeps beeping. We got a flat tyre.
Engine failure.
Engine management light.
But we're going to take her around the world, yay!
We've also got another problem. Shit's hit the fan with Russia, so we have to do our applications and our visas for Russia ASAP. Otherwise, we might not be let into the country.
So there is such a thing as like the FBI and the CIA and, you know, what do they call them?
MI5.
Yeah, shit like that.
Yeah, they exist, yeah, if that's your question.
No way. What now then?
So Jordan's going to sponsor us from UFit, and we've just pulled up. Well, we pulled up next to his car when we arrived at the gym.
That's his car there, and that's our little Ferranda Panda babes. So
we got UFit on board. So Jordan's got a guy who can wrap the car, and we're gonna put a UFit sticker on there.
So he's like, what are you saying about if I could incorporate some orange into your car wrap? Because obviously UFit, if you can see it over there, it's like orange and black. And I was like, yeah, we can do orange. Why don't you do like orange camo? So he's like, yeah, I know a guy who can do it. He's like, I'll pay for that if you can put orange in. So yeah, it's gonna hopefully be an orange camo car instead of silver. So if anybody knows how you like legally change that on the documents, please let me know. So we've just got home. It's quite heavy to a parcel. Now, I've got a feeling that this is off my friend Charles, CH32. She's a beauty vlogger, and she gets loads of stuff for free. So I'm hoping she sent me something that she's got. She was like, I want to send you something. So I gave her my address. I was like, in fact, I want to send you something as well. So we sent her a King in It vest top with the glitter, you know.
Which is still for sale, FYI.
The best ones with the black glitter. She was like, I'll send you something. Amy, my babes. I've been meaning to send you some goodies for a while now. Everything is new and used except some sunglasses. Enjoy. Love CH32.
CH32.
CH32. It's from Essex.
We love Shah.
Oh my god.
Look at all that.
What a girl.
Oh my days. Better be something in there for me.
Oh my god. Oh my nan. I use this and I'm literally running out now. Lip kits. Highlighters. Can you imagine if she sent me all this? Can you imagine how much she's actually got in her house? They look good. Are they wonky?
They are 10 out of 10. They're getting prescripted.
I love them getting prescripted. Imagine me going in there. Can you just prescript these for me? Jam jazz? That's my prescription. Oh,
what's your eyesight, Jam Jar?
Put them on so I can have a look. Oh wow, I'm not sure what to say. There's another pair here. Try these on. Oh, there's loads.
These are more me, I think.
Suit you, sir. They look awesome. Thank you so much. I love it.
I just don't know what all the hype is with all this beauty product stuff. I mean, there's only so much you can do to make yourself look pretty, isn't there? So, just wash your face. Captain Bannister is editing the apartment video, so we're in Academy Espresso. Amy's in the zone. So there's a competition on our Facebook right now to wear some King in It swagger.
Wear it?
To win some King in It swagger, just don't wear it like Amy does. I mean, I don't know what's happening by here.
Warning, limited range.
Yeah, we need petrol.
Oh, is that what that means? Why don't you just say petrol?
But we did a test, click that middle button on the thing, go all the way through. But basically we figured out that we could get about 250 miles out of a full tank.
Is that good or not?
I don't know.
It's quite a small engine, like.
Who knows if that's good? Let us know. It's a small car, so I'm guessing the petrol tank's small.
That's how much we know about cars. Absolutely nothing.
But it's good to know for like planning. So if like a town is 300 miles away, we know we're going to need more than a full tank.
Oh, missed the point.
Also, just wanted to say about Instagram. I was looking at like Instagram stuff, algorithms and whatnot to try and sort out our Instagram. So I put in this thing that like blocks inactive accounts, and these are accounts that are like win a Samsung mobile and it's just a random account to set up and then they follow us. So I got rid of all the crap on there.
Yeah,
but it turns out it was deleting real people, and there's been people being like, why can't I see your Instagram? And it's because I've blocked you. So I'm sorry, but I've unblocked all of those people.
Mess. Like, how King and it goes, right? There's like a hierarchy, right? And Craig, I guess he is kind of the boss, just because he's got a few more brain cells than me. And that's not by many, by no means. So like, I let him do all this stuff. And lately, you've just been a nightmare, really.
What are you talking about? Honestly.
You just have, though. We won't go into it. But will you just calm down and sort of take care?
Honestly, such a little shit today. So go on Instagram, make sure that you're following us, because if I've blocked you, I've unblocked you now. Cheers. Last night it was my sister and her fiance's engagement party. So we had a little dance, we had a little...
Boogie, Craig wore his Tesco shirt.
And one of Ellie's mates did a little song for her on the mic. It was great.
I was so scared to face my fears. Nobody told me.
Oh, she was a very good singer. I did have tears in my eyes.
I don't even know how to put petrol in, do you? If you're going to be driving to Russia, you need to know. Go on.
I'm paying someone like £90 on the black market in Iran for some petrol. They'd be putting it in for me.
Who's paying 90 quid?
It's expensive, isn't it?
This is why you need to go with people, because you would have no money in about a week.
I really would.
It'd be like Paris all over again.
Love to have done the Mongol Rally on my own and seen how far I got.
Oh my God.
If I survived.
We should do that. We should set you up to go from like A to B, and I'll just follow you. See
you follow me? I was going to say, do you want a girlfriend or... And guys, by the way, send parcels, love, gifts and flowers now, because it's mine and Craig's 10-year anniversary when we're on the Mongol Rally.
Is it?
Which is très romantique. I don't know where we'll be, but I'm going to guess it's going to be Turkmenistan.
Hopefully separate tents.
So, you better have something big planned for that.
Yeah, we're going to do the Mongol Rally. Whee!
No, like... Proper dinner and that.
Pack of noodles.
No, I reckon we will lose weight on this because I'm going to go vegan for it. Because a lot of people that get sick on the Mongol Rally is off like the meat and stuff. Anyway, go and get the petrol, will you?
You get it, why am I getting it? You're driving.
Because I'm driving.
You're so Desmond, go on.
You've got to do something.
Look at her now, she's fuming because she has to get it. Got a proper strap on. And now she's just dropped her purse. Craig, can't do it.
Right, what do you do?
What do you mean, what do you do? Pull the petrol cap out, you nutter.
Fucking tell me how to do it. Is it like one of those Calpol child lock things? I push it in and then turn it.
Just twist it.
Twist it what way? It will not let me.
What have you done? So now we've come down, it's a beautiful southern down, to watch the sunset. Look at that. It's magnificent, isn't it?
Well, I prefer to watch it from the car because I get really bad ears when the wind blows.
Worst person to take on a romantic walk. She's like, Craig, my ears are hurting. Shall I go back to the car? Do you want to fly the drone from the car?
How's this romantic?
Have you got a coat for
Where's
me?
the candles?
My ears hurt.
Where's this?
Anyway, this beach is bloody beautiful.
It is though. Yeah, so sorry we haven't got many like major updates for you guys, but we want to keep the ball rolling with uploads into YouTube. We want to keep you guys in the loop, let you know what we're doing. And if you've got any ideas or any plans or anything you want to share, just shout, because we'd love to hear from you.
So that is pretty much it for this week's episode. So if you're brand spanking new and you've just found our channel and you're like, what, that was sick,
I'm sure you're not.
make sure you press subscribe.
But just let me reassure you that future vlogs will be on point. Okay, always remember, rule your own world.
1, 2, 3.
Bye!